I'm super excited. I was contacted by a company that I was not familiar with before, Bagsmart. They wanted me to sample one of their bags. I am now unboxing this, so let's have a look at the bag. There are actually a couple things in here. I believe these are compression packing cubes. So I'm really looking forward to trying these out. So there are a bunch in here. I love this. There are different colors, different sizes, and as you can see, there are two different layers, right? So we've got the packing layer and then the compression layer. I love this. So these are really good zipper quality so far. So I am looking forward to stuffing these and seeing how well they compress. Let's look at the bag. I picked this bag, which is kind of somewhere between like a roller bag and a duffel. So I thought that was kind of a neat concept. They have a bunch of different colors. So I got like this burgundy one. It's a nice looking bag. We've got this burgundy color here, and I'm trying to figure this out. Two handles, one up here, one on the side. This is that's a good, seems pretty sturdy. Let's take a look at the features of the bag. Okay, so first off, again, I like that. It's a very nice mechanism. The wheels are pretty good. The size of the wheels, nice size. They seem pretty, like they do pretty well, I think. So it looks like I could wear this as a backpack if I wanted to. Here is the inside of the bag. So this is such a great, I think this would be a great like carry-on kind of roller bag, which is actually something I'm curious to try out. It's definitely a really nice small size. And look at this, I love this, that you've got the straps on the inside so that you can add in extra stuff and keep it safe. I'm trying to, it looks like this may be I don't know if this is like a suit hanger. It turns out, no, that is not a suit hanger. There are actually two of these pieces and you can snap them to the bottom of the bag and they actually give the bag more structure. Another really great feature. There's a nice inside pocket here. On the inside here, which is actually very thick padding, which I like, there is a nice compartment to put like toiletries and stuff. There's another zipper pocket right here. There's a lot of nice spaces to separate things in here. I'm really digging that. I wanted to point out that the compression bags, it's quite a set actually. It's quite impressive. So there are two bags, which I would use for like underwear and socks. So two of those. I didn't realize how much was in here until I opened it up just now. And then there is sort of a medium size one. Then there's this bag, which I could see being either a day pack or actually a laundry bag, which is really awesome. And then inside this last bag was yet another bag, which is the biggest of them all. So there's like 5 compression bags and that extra 6th bag, which you can do for laundry or hiking. The big compression bag handled all of my weekend essentials quite well, and as you can see, I packed everything very nicely into the bag itself, including my teddy bear. I found it extremely easy to wheel the bag over a gravelly surface like this one, and placing it into the trunk of the car was extremely easy, and you can see it doesn't take up too much room. And one of my favorite features is how easy it is to convert the bag into a backpack, which was also extremely comfortable to wear. Final thoughts on the Bagsmart compression bags and the roller bag. So first off, I thought this was cool. It's compression, but also there's a handy strap here. So if you are a real stuffer, it's kind of neat that you can actually compress even further with that. I've never seen that, and I think that's pretty smart, a nice little detail. And for the bag, so I think it's well made. I liked all the pockets. I was also, when it was stuffed full and I had this extended, I was able to balance another bag here and pull that. It was a bit heavy because I guess my computer weighs a lot, but it was nice to be able to do that with a seemingly very small bag. Now, this one does not expand. I would love it to do that. However, you've got these straps here, just like with that compression bag, so you can loosen those and get a little bit more room. And if you do travel with a laptop, So this bag is certainly, this pocket rather, is certainly large enough to put your laptop in, but it's not, it's very soft. So I probably wouldn't feel comfortable, say, putting this like above my seat on the airplane, and then if somebody put their thing on top, the laptop wouldn't have that stiff support. All in all, if you're looking for a great small bag that can be a roller or a backpack, and you are someone that packs really well, I would say this is a great bag to invest in. So make sure to look at the code in this video. I do have a discount available to you, so make sure if you are going to pick one up that you use that discount to save on your purchase.